Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. In one of our previous tutorial we learned how to draw rectangle through line command in AutoCAD. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to draw rectangle through rectangle command. So rectangle command here in draw panel, you can see this is a draw panel and this is the icon for rectangle. I will click on this drop down arrow and you can see two options here, one for rectangle and another for polygon. So in this tutorial we will learn about rectangle. So what I will do, I will just bring this UCS right now somewhere here in screen. To do so, I will just go here and I will activate this zoom extend command. Okay, and I will just move this through pen somewhere here. Okay, and here. Now I will just activate this command from here. You can just enter shortcut for rectangle as REC. This is the shortcut for rectangle, or you can just activate from here as well. So I will click here and I will activate this rectangle. Now here at the command line you can see it is prompting as specify first corner point. So you can just specify first corner point as origin point as well as somewhere here. So first let's see what is the origin. Okay, how to just try rectangle from origin. So in this case origin as 0 comma 0 as I have just told you earlier, and I will hit enter. Now rectangle will be drawn right from the origin, and now the next thing here will be we have to just give other corner point. As in command line you can see it is prompting as specify other corner point. So in this case I need a coordinates of 500 by 300 as x 500 and y 300. So I will just give a value of 500 by 300. Okay, 500 comma 300, and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to create it as 300 by 500, means 500 by 300. Okay, so this was origin method. What if I just want to draw a rectangle somewhere here, not from the origin, as random point? So I will just delete this one. Again I will go here to activate this one. Now I will just give this point as a starting point. Okay, now instead of giving 0 comma 0 I just give here a point, this one. Now I will just enter at the rate symbol as we did before, and I will just give coordinate of this point as 500 comma 300. Now when I just enter a coordinates here with at the rate symbol, it will just took a origin point as this point. Okay, so then I will hit enter. Now it took this point as the origin point and coordinates are 500 by 300. Okay, 500 comma 300. Now let me just delete this one. Now let's see next method. For that I will just activate this one and I will click somewhere here to give first point. Now at command line you can see some of options like area, dimension and rotation. So you can just draw rectangle through area, through dimensions and rotations as well. So right now I need area, so in this case I will just enter a, or I will just simply click here. Okay, to activate this one. Now it is prompting as enter area of a rectangle in current units. Okay, so I have to just give a area. Now you can see here we just draw a rectangle as 500 by 300, so area will be 1,50,000. So I will just give here a area of 1,50,000. I will hit enter. Now here it is prompting as calculating rectangle dimension based on length or width. So we have to just give length or width here, so only one dimension here. Okay, so right now I will just give width here. Okay, and I will give width of 300 unit. I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to create it as 500 by 300. Let's check the dimensions here, and this was area method 500. Okay, let's check dimension method. I will just activate this one and I will click somewhere here to give a first point, and the next option here is dimension. So I will click here to activate this one, and now we have to just specify the length and the width both. Okay, now I will just give a length of 500. I will hit enter. Then width 300. I will hit enter. Now this was what? Dimension method. Now let's see next method. I will just delete this one and I will go here and I will click to give first point, and the next method here is rotation. So if you want to draw a rectangle inclined to an angle, you can just give this rotation option. Okay, so I will click here and you can see it is going to move freely, and I can just give here a rotation angle as it is showing here specify rotation angle. So I want to just give here angle of 30 degree. I will hit enter. Now the next thing here will be we have to just give dimensions. So in order to do that, I will just enter D for dimensions, or I can click here for dimensions. I will hit enter. Now we have to just specify length and the width of the rectangle. So I will give 500 length as 300 width. I will hit enter. Now it is inclined to 30 degree. Okay, inclined to 30 degree, and the length and the width is 500 by 300. Now, whenever I will just activate again this rectangle, so it will incline to 30-degree angle. So to get rid of this one, I will go here in rotation option and I will give this as 0-degree angle and I will hit it. So this is right now on 0 degree. Let me just escape this one. I will just delete this one and let's see another method. I will click here to activate this one, and at command line you can see some various option here also, like chamfer, fillet, thickness, width, okay, elevation. So we will just look about these commands like chamfer and fillet in next tutorials, but right now I will just give you the procedure how we can draw through fillet, width and the chamfer. So for example, I need a width of a 100 millimeter rectangle. So I will click here to activate this one. Now it is prompting as width of the line. So I will just give width 100 and then I will give first corner point. Now you can see it is going to create it, and the width of the rectangle here is 100 millimeter. Now next, whenever I will just create a rectangle here, so this width option will be activated here. So get rid of this one. I need to go here in width option again and I will give a width of 0 millimeter and r 0 units, so it will be come back to original position. Now let's see another method. I will just go here to activate this one and let's see what is the fillet option. So fillet is the option if we need a rounded corner, we need here a fillet option. So I will click here to activate this one. Now it is asking about specify radius of the fillet, so I will give 30 unit of radius here and I will give first point and second point. Now you can see here corners are rounded. So this was fillet option and I will just delete this one again. I will go here to activate this one and let's see chamfer option. Okay, and I will just go here in chamfer and let me just give a chamfer distance. First distance as 30 unit and second as well 30 unit. I will hit enter. Now I will specify first point and then second point. Now you can see these are edges here. Okay, this was chamfer option. So these were some options to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD through rectangle command. Hope you understand this session.